Okay, I'm going to take you through my build of the Sigan HD Stretch X, and the first thing I do is bring up a PDF or a photograph of the flight controller I'm using so that I know where everything is and I can just glance up and take a look. But here it is. I got the pod all put together. It has the whole HD system in there. I put an LED up there on the back of the antenna. But that's it. That's everything in there. Here's the power for the Connex system. And then I'll tie in this LED to the flight controller. Alright. And inside here, I already have the little bees hooked up to the motors. I just got to double stick tape them down and maybe wrap them once with some electrical tape. And I had already cut all the ESCs to length so that I can put them in. I have my Spectrum lead right here for the receiver, and that's about it. It's all still dry fit. The only other thing is my power lead, and if you see right there, those two solder bubbles, that's where the positive and negative come in from the PDB. See here? LiPo in. That's what I got. LiPo in. And on this build, the PDB is incorporated into the bottom of the frame. See here? That part there that says Sigan on it is actually the PDB. So everything is soldered to that. All the ESCs are soldered to that. Your battery lead is soldered to that. And my VBAT to power the flight controller is soldered to that. So let me set this down again. And we're going to get at it. We're going to put this flight controller in right now. Okay. So like I said, I cut all these to length. This is already hooked up to the PDB. I have to put my Spectrum receiver line in, and we're golden. So let's take this board out. I'm not sure if I want to go to the top of the board or the bottom of the board for the ESC signal leads. I think I'm going to go to the top of the board this time. Usually I go from the bottom, but let's take a look. And I need some O-rings. To put under this board to lift it up just a little. Alright, like I said, there's the two power leads. And if I look at my schematic I have on my PC here, it says that, let me grab this other receiver here. Maybe we'll use this one. Yeah, it says power ground signal. Right? So we're going to chop this one. We're going to chop it. And we're going to give it power ground signal. And on my schematic it goes power, ground, signal. There we go. Power. Alright, that's that. There they are. Now we're going to go with the signals from the top, soldered down. Ground to the outside, number 1. Pads are a little bigger. Number 1. Number 2. Last one. Okay. What else do I have? The LED. The LED. The LED. Well, let me unstick it from the sticker. Alright. I'll pull it out. And it looks like they're all go to the same place, so I can cut this wire. It doesn't have to be longer. I might have assumed that I'd had to go a little further. Now we're going to cut them all and tin them all. They didn't look good to me. And we're going to put these through the front also. So we have positive, negative, and signal. And on the board it's signal, positive, negative. I'm going to lift this board up, flip it over. First I'll send these through the top. And it goes signal. Now you're getting me. Helping hands. Alright, let's do this. All right. Let me just file these off a little bit. Okay, so off camera I filed down the nubs on these so they don't short out in any of these wires here. You got me? Because they're sitting right there. I don't think it'll be an issue, but I don't want it to be. Alright, see that? So that is it. This is it right here. I think we are done. Let me lock this down. I don't have any O-rings at the moment to put in here, but I want to use them just to raise it up a little bit. And I've been having luck. I've been putting them in every build so far, the O-rings, and I don't know. I ain't gonna say much more than that. I've been putting them in. Alright, 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 there it is. The top can pretty much go on, except I can't get to the USB. I guess if I stretch it, I can get to the USB. But that's okay with me. This we'll put under here. These three items go up into the canopy. The LED, the VTX camera, and the receiver. Then the rest of this can all stay down here out of the way. Let's see. We'll make this one go this way. And we'll make this one go this way. I like using a toothpick here, but I don't have one handy, it seems. I have this, but gonna hook it up to CleanFlight, get everything bound. Well, I guess I don't have to bind, but I have to do the CleanFlight because this is an auto bind receiver. But should we test it? Huh? Let's test it. Let me get a battery. Hold on. Alright, here we go. Let's see what we got. Should we plug in the VTX? I mean, if we're gonna blow it up, might as well blow it all up. Where's the LEDs? Alright, test number 1. Everything looks good. So I'll hook it up to Betaflight, get everything all set up, bind my receiver, and we'll be able to maiden this one. I think it's going to be a big maiden fest. I have a lot of maidens here. I got a build here that I'm going to show you. Mako build, TBS ESCs. I still have the Hero 180X sitting here ready to go maiden. It's all ready. And then I finally got the parts in on the new Hero 180X for the TBS vision system. I got the new ESC board. So there's going to be a lot of maidens going on this week before Christmas. Look, how are we going to do it? Anyway, we'll get it done. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and ask me questions if you have any.